So ladies and gentlemen, go as far as you can see with you, and I would like to share this company. It's made by TOZO, TOZO. Two models, NC3 active noise cancellation headphones and the crystal pods. I haven't opened the crystal pods and use it. This is more of a basic version and have a nice crystal sound, but I do use this one, NC3. It is actually, I have done in the past different versions. I use Bose, I try Sony, and I would like to show you this one. So it's basically quality of this product just by touching it. It's amazing. There is a unit come with the charger, 8 different pads for the ears, and digital display on the front. So when you remove one of them, it says 82% on it. So if you put it back, I wish I have more lighting over here. It's way too much light. When you remove one of them, it has 82% on it as well. I would definitely recommend TOZO to anyone that like good quality product. Let's go ahead and take a close look to it. It has a brass connections on the back. This is their logo right here. Microphones, and they also indicated left and right. Again, I use this and I love it. The price is way cheaper than standard large brands, and that's not really cheap unit. It does come with little magnets inside, so you just pop this thing in just like that, and I will show you exactly how much battery is left, which is 81. Let's see, there's a button on the back for the pairing mode, and this is very good quality product. I would definitely recommend TOZO to compare other brands. Reason why, again, it's not as expensive as the super expensive brands, and it's a good quality. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, it's very important for my channel, and also look in the description for more details on this product. Thank you.